heading to Old San Juan. Now we are in the shuttle. So right now, guys, we are in Old San Juan. Just got dropped off here by the bus and people just taking pictures out here. So we are going to do a lot of walking around. Oh, come on and look up there. Up there maybe is the site up there? The castle stuff up there. I think you pay like, let's say $5 to get in there. Yeah, but I guess look at the hill that you have to walk up to get there.
Okay, we brought our water.
Can you just hold it on us first?
Pero, ¿cómo se hace esto? ¿Dónde está? Here? Have to press
It's good.
here?
No, man. It's already on. You only have to just hold it.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And just one picture. So you just press the white.
Okay.
Yeah. Clay bars. Soap. The soap. Yeah. Clay bars.
Natural medicinal soap.
Medicinal soap.
Unguents, different.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, a lot of information here.
No, this is for women, intimate hygiene.
They are for a specific area of maintenance. See, the second group of words is in English. This is armpit, makeup remover, intimate area, white mask, lupa.
So, and you said
This is
for
for
my
each.
itching. Give me a good deal on these two.
That's for 10. For
$10?
$10 this. This is
$10.
this is hold on.
I'm gonna do it. I'll try it.
Treatment.
So, if I get back to the States,
You can keep buying with us.
I can keep buying with you. Do you
Yeah.
need to give me your card?
Yeah.
Because
Also,
if this works, I will want more of this.
sure. Good. You have each now.
What's
Each.
that?
You feel each.
I do. I do.
This is
Reminds me of my day.
Okay. Yeah? People here looking for burger. Yeah, they're not. The people here looking for them American burger. Yeah, ask a lady. So come with me, guys. We're just touring Old San Juan. You like this?
I like the building, like
Oh, you like that? So come with me, guys. We are just touring Old San Juan, and right now we just walking the streets. A pretty building over here. Very narrow streets.
Welcome to Puerto Rico, baby. Showtime. Hey. Everybody say, "Wepa."
Cold water, bottle like water, guys. Cold like souvenirs.
You want what? You want what? Are you here? Wow, you see how big that ship is, guys? Wow. Look at that ship. MSC Seascape. Very big ship. am somewhere down here by the pier, and this is what the surrounding is looking like. Music is here. Oh man, guys, look at pigeons everywhere. Pigeons. So this is where it's all happening, guys. A busy area in San Juan. People out and about. Music everywhere. Let's see. So what is this over here? Oh. You have to pay to do that? I guess you gotta pay to do that.
I think so. I think you can just hold them. Do you want to hold them?
You gotta pay, I think. The birds here.
Get together.
Turns out they have a Marshall here in Old San Juan. So I am going in to check out what Marshall has here to offer me. So this is day 2 and we're just touring Old San Juan. There's a lot to offer here. Old San Juan. Your friend in the truck. Your friends. Yeah, it look like this place here have better food. Yeah, nobody over this side. What's the name of the place? Special.
A muff from Guito. I
What?
wonder what that is. A muff from Guito.
Oh, this is place. This is the place. This is the right place right here. Chicken place. Birds want to eat you alive. Mukungu. Well, there's a reason. There's a lot of reason why people there. Food is good, but guys, one thing I noticed here, the license and plates are only on the back of cars of the vehicle, not on the front. That's something that I've noticed here. Only on the back. Oh, look at this cat. So these are all the mofongas you can get over here, guys. The famous mofongas from Puerto Rico. We have chicken mofongo, fried pork.
That's right from those.
What?
That's right from
a chafongo, beans, mofongo. What else? I can get empanadas and all those stuff right here in Puerto Rico, Old San Juan. So what do you want to do?
There's so many everything is mofongo based. Yes, I'm gonna get a souvenir.
A souvenir where? We don't have time. You realize that because we have to get ready to now to take the shuttle.
He said the last shuttle was at 5, right?
No, gotta reach here at 5. Last one I think was 4:30 he said.
But that was at 5.
No, he said gotta be up there by 5.
Oh.
This is our shuttle.
Yes, let's do it. Take the menus out of our side. They can be comfortable or you want me to leave one?
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que goce! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba, está presente. Aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza. Mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba.
So guys, that's the old fort right up there. That's a fort, right? In Old San Juan. Over there. So I think tomorrow we are going to climb that. That's day 3. We are going to climb the fort and try to go all the way on the top there. And this is what you're surrounding. It's looking like at about 4 or 5 o'clock. It's getting a little dark now. There you go guys, that sound is the ship is about to leave harbor. So those guys that are roaming around in the city better find their way over to the point. You gotta get left. Here am I, sitting on this bench here, preparing myself mentally to climb the castle wall up there. It's hot. I don't know if I can handle it, but let's see. I'm resting a little bit because mentally you gotta be prepared. It's very high up there, up by the castle. What do they call up there? The castle? The fort?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I don't know my dad would have never heard of that.
Now I'm climbing this hill. Wow. Or maybe this is where you pay?
Yep.
I'm not going in the castle.
I mean,
I think I'm gonna wait for you outside.
I think this.
So guys, I'm on top of the fort here, and look at your view down here. Old San Juan. This is the fort. And I'm walking down here. You have hotel and stuff over here, guys. The view is to die for. Wow. And right now I'm at the fort on top here, just trying to explore. Very beautiful place, guys, and the sea is right there in the distance. And if you look over there, those are all the hotels and stuff overlooking the port. Very nice. Very nice lawn. Wow. And over there they have a bar here. There's another place on the shore side. Look at it, guys. Nice. Guys, if you want to get in there, this is what you would pay.